Hello everyone. This video is in continuation to our videos for grade 9, ICSC, CBSC both. We have started with the chapter Cell, the Unit of Life. In our previous video, we discussed the diagrams of animal and plant cell and their differences. In this video, we are going to talk about the diagrams of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells and their differences. Now, as you can see that the diagram of animal cell is here only. So, it's just to make things clearer to you, because some of the children, they have a lot of confusion कि eukaryotic में क्या है. Eukaryotic cells are animal and plant. If you talk about both of them are eukaryotic cells. So eukaryotic cells अगर बोलते हैं तो it can be animal cells, it can be plant cells. All the type of animal and plant cells, all of them are eukaryotic. Fine. And when we talk about prokaryotic cells, a basic cell which is prokaryotic is bacterial cell. I'll draw the diagram here and then we will talk about the differences. Now if you see a bacterial cell, what do you observe? Mainly, some of the bacteria, they have a cell wall also around, some of them, but the cell wall is not made up of cellulose as in case of plant cells. It is it's just made up of maybe it's just mucus or peptidoglycans. We will make a cell wall around just to here, and a cell wall around. Then most of the bacteria, now I am making a generalized diagram, it can vary from bacteria to bacteria. Most of the bacteria, they have a flagella present which helps them in movement. In some of the bacteria, instead of flagella, they have cilia. So what are cilia? Cilia are small thread-like structure. Flagella is thoda sa long, whereas in case of some bacteria, अगर मैं यहाँ बनाऊँ, तो they will have these structure, small thread-like structure, cilia around them for movement. So they have a flagella. The most interesting feature here is that instead of nucleus, they just have this coiled DNA or genetic material mass, which is known as nucleoid. This is genetic material, nucleoid. Some of you do not have this in the book, you can write it down. So this is nucleoid, the genetic material, which is not, now you see the difference now. It just has the nuclear, the genetic material. Here it has the, how many layers? Nuclear membrane, nucleolus, nucleoplasm, nuclear pore. But in this case, it just has these, nothing else. So there is no covering. Then it has this semi-liquid substance here which is present in the other one also, that's the cytoplasm. And if we talk about organelles, it just has the organelles which are not covered by membrane. So it just has one cell organelle in it, that is the ribosomes. That too 70S. 80S are present here, right? So I've just labeled the parts which are, I'll label this flagella also. Fine. So if there are certain extensions, inward extensions present here known as mesosomes also, and they are responsible for having chloroplast in them in some of the cases wherein the bacteria, blue-green bacteria, has chlorophyll present in it. So if you see the structure and try to write the differences, if I may just use this space, I'll quickly jot down the differences. So eukaryotic and prokaryotic. So what do we have here? In eukaryotic cells, there is a proper defined nucleus, and prokaryotes only nucleoid or genetic material without any membrane. Fine. Here all organelles present. Here organelles without membrane are present, Example, only ribosomes. Fine. Here may or may not have flagella. Generally they don't have. So no flagella or cilia. Flagella or cilia present. Fine. So these are some of the main differences. Cell wall हो सकता है plant cell में है यहाँ पे. So you can write this also that the cell wall is not made up of cellulose, and in plant cell it is made up of cellulose. Fine. So these are the main differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells with the diagrams. So if the diagram comes for a prokaryotic cell, you can make this diagram, and for eukaryotes you can make any of it. Plant cell, animal cell. कई बार confuse करने के लिए they don't give you draw the diagram of animal cell. They say draw the diagram of a eukaryotic cell. तो आप animal cell बनाओ, plant cell बनाओ, both of them are correct. So in our next video we will start with our new chapter, that is tissues, and we'll start with the introduction first, and then one by one I'll take up all the tissues. So keep watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you.